I'm Keisha Ariel and I am the founder of Hair We Gro. Now, when I started the Hair We Gro brand, my biggest hair problems were brittle hair strands, dry scalp, and hair loss. So I decided to document my hair routine along my journey over the course of 6 months, and these were my results after 2 weeks, 6 months, and this is what it is currently. My edges grew back, my flakes were no more, and of course my hair strands stopped breaking, which allowed for me to retain all my length. And I was able to do all of this with the use of the Hair We Gro bundle, which consists of the Hair We Gro hair oil and the Hair We Gro hair and body butter. So of course I would highly recommend that you visit our website hairwegro.store and try our products and be very much impressed with your results.